Welcome friends to our this week's homestead experience. In this video we like to show you what we have done with our blueberries, what we changed at our pig setup, and how we fixed our fence charger problem. We harvested two 5-gallon buckets of fresh blueberry right from the field. With that hand blueberry rake. If you do that by hand, you not only harvesting blueberries, you harvest a lot of leaves too. To get rid of the leaves from the blueberries, I built this little setup. I used an old water bottle where I cut the bottom off, and a simple hair dryer with a flat air nozzle. I let simple fall the blueberries in the water bottle that works like a funnel. And the hair dryer blows most of the blueberry leaves away. I really don't want to sort out the leaves from the blueberries by hand, so I think that's a nice and easy solution to get rid of the leaves. And if you do that more than once, you can get more and more leaves out from the blueberries. Here you can see all the leaves that are sorted out by the airstream from the hair dryer. And that's a lot. And if you don't want to get in trouble with your wife, you should not use her hair dryer. Maybe you should use an old one. But the end justifies the means. The hair dryer is a bit more sticky and I survived it. And here you can see direct the difference. And that's another project we have done this week. If you want that the wood stick in the bucket, that would never happen. But if you don't want it, it sticks. Incredible. For this project I used an old 50-gallon plastic drum. I made sure it's nice and clean from the inside, and I flushed it. The original barrel plug comes with a 3/4 inch pipe thread, so it's perfect to add a little piece of water pipe. The only thing I need is a 3/4 inch to 1/2 inch reducer. To tighten it, I used a piece of board that fits perfect into that barrel plug, and I added a 10-inch piece of pipe, 1/2 inch, with a coupling and the original pig drinker from Walmart. I bought that at the internet. The pig drinker is made of stainless steel and it comes in a 5-piece pack. I put the pallet in the run for underneath the homemade concrete pig feeder. If you like to see that video, I put the link for you in the description down below. Or if you like to see the other videos we made because of our pigs, you can find them on our YouTube channel. In that case, it would be nice if you subscribe for our YouTube channel. Hit only the button in the lower right corner. I added 2 pieces of 2x4 that the barrel can't roll off the logs. And a tie-down strap holds the barrel in place. I drilled 2 little holes in the top of the barrel to drain the air out if I filled the barrel with water. And we filled the barrel with 50 gallons of water. And now it's ready to go. And the pigs have to learn how to drink water out of the water barrel with the drinker nipple. We had a big problem with our fence charger last week. Anyone forgot to close the lid from the plastic box where we keep our fence charger in, and a lot of rain was running in that box. The fence charger was underwater and the housing from the fence charger was full with water, which is not good for the electronic. What you can see here is the high voltage coil. I blowed the water out with compressed air and put all the parts of the fence charger in the food dehydrator to dry it out. Also, the voltage display was full with water. It's normal and closed with that little clear plastic cover. To open that little plastic cover, I heated a piece of wire with a lighter and melted a hole in the bottom of that plastic cover, and with compressed air it pops off pretty simple. But now it's time to put everything back together and check that it works or not. Looks good. 3 little screws to screw it back in place. I connected the high voltage coil with the electronic, with that built-in push connectors. Which is a little tricky. That box is normal closed with some special screws. The screws, they have a little pin in the center that you can't use a regular bit, so you have to have a special one with a hole in the center. But I definitely don't use them anymore because of if I lose the bit, I never can open the box anymore. And you know, with my luck, I connected the DC power wire with the electronic. I put the back cover on, and I use simple screws and a regular screwdriver to tighten it. A function check to make sure it works. And a double check to make absolute sure it works without any problems. And we had luck and don't have to spend another $200 for a new fence charger. I connected to the big deep cycle 12 volt battery, so it lasts for at least between 2 and 3 weeks before the battery gets empty. I connect the ground wire and the fence wire to the fence charger. I changed the ground pole. It was a regular steel rebar and it starts to rust, so there was not a good ground connection anymore. I used now a 1/2 inch stainless steel rod and it works perfect. Everything goes back in the watertight box. But it's only watertight if you put the cover on. A 5-gallon bucket of water for the goats, and the pasture is ready to use again. I switch the power on. It does the click, no smoke is coming out, means it works. Until the next one forget to put the cover on if it rains. If you like this video and if you like to buy us a coffee, I put the link for you in the description down below where you can do it. That's it for this week's video. Thanks guys for watching it, and hopefully we see us next week again. And don't forget to subscribe.